You can swap the TV sound from a Sonos soundbar to a Sonos Ace. And for doing this, you will need the Sonos app. First of all, you need to pair the Sonos Ace with the Sonos app, and if you need help with that, you can see the video on the upper right corner. Then, what you will need to do is to reach the setting gear on the upper right corner, then go down to Sonos Ace, so you select your headphone, and then under TV Audio Swap, you can add a TV Audio Swap, just right here. Then hit Setup, select the soundbar to which you want to sync it. Unfortunately, yes, you can only sync one Sonos Ace to one Sonos soundbar, which means one Sonos Ace per Sonos soundbar. Actually, this is a limitation. Then you hit Continue. Just wait a bit. And then your Sonos Ace is ready to work with the TV room. Hit Continue. And this is the quickest way to use the audio swap. This is pressing on this button over here, which means, just to show you, if I go back over here into the Sonos Ace room, if I press and hold this button, the Ace just connect to the TV room soundbar. If I press it again, it will return the audio to the soundbar. You can also do it over here. And finally, if you eventually want to remove that link from the headphone to the Sonos soundbar, you can go into the setting gear again, into the headphone, and go down to the audio swap, and you can say here, remove TV audio swap. Hit Continue. And this is almost done. Here we go, not working. If it's not working, disconnect it. Maybe. Hit Continue. And there you go. If for some reason when you try to do the audio swap you're not able to connect to it, make sure you are in front of the Sonos soundbar, that you are into the same room, line of sight, and that should be working. But if it's not, try to reboot the Sonos soundbar and the Sonos Ace. I hope this was helpful.